Hi friends, in this section I will discuss about data types in Python. Here first data types means it describes which type of data it is, and there are totally 9 types of data types is there in Python: int, float, complex, string, list, tuple, set, frozen set and dictionary. In this section I will discuss first 3 data types, and later sections I completed remaining 6. And the first one is integer. Integers means we all are know in childhood, from childhood onwards we all are studying about integers and using integers means numbers without decimals. Without decimals is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 10, 1000, 1999, the common numbers only. A equal to, this is the one integers. For example, in Python there are 9 data types are there, right? Mm, we will able to know which type of data it is by using type keyword. Type, here I will give type of A, see that is integer. By using this type keyword, we will able to know which type of data it is. And next one is float. Sorry, to specify this type integers by using with 4 forms. One is decimal form and second is binary form, third one is octal form and fourth one is hexadecimal. First decimal form is nothing but the normal digits 0 to 9. It's nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 1000 like that. And next one is allows only 0 and 1 only. It allows only 0 and 1. It's nothing but binary numbers. In before section I discussed about binary numbers and how to convert binary to numbers and numbers to binary. In this section also I will tell. Here I want to know print binary form of 143, 1000 and 140. How it is I describe in, I will explain in this. First of all, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6 and 2 power 7. The values of powers is this. Here I take 143. 140 is greater than 140. 120 is less than 143. So I written 1. And zeros and truths is representation of truths and false. Here false representation is 0 and true representation is 1. In binary form it that specific number. Here I will take 143. 143 is greater than less than 0 means it returns 1, and greater than 0 means it returns 0. Here 120 is less than 143, so it returns 1. 128 plus 64 is greater than 143, and 128 plus 32 is also greater than, so it is 0. And 128 plus 16 is also greater than, is 144. And 128 plus 8 is 136. 136 is smaller than, less than 143, so it return 1. 128 plus 8 is 136. 136 plus 4 is 140. 140 is smaller than 143. So it return 1. 140 plus 2 is 142. 142 is also smaller than 143. So it return 1. And next is 142 plus 1 is 143. It is equal to 143. So it's return 1. The total 128 plus 8 is 136. 136 plus 4 is 140. 140 plus 2 is 142. 142 plus 1 is 143. Like this we convert number to binary form and binary form to numbers. Like this we convert numbers to binary form. From binary form to numbers we already know print by, we already know binary. This is binary form. 128 plus 8 is 136. 136 plus 4 is 140. 142, 143. The value of this binary form is 143. 143. And this is all about binary form. And here 0b represent the binary form. 0b 1 1 000 4 ones. Here the value is 1. This is by using this 0b. By using this 0b only, either it is capital or small, no problem. By using this 0b only, it converts binary to numbers. For example, you don't know how to convert binary to numbers and numbers to binary. Then by using this print binary 143, it converts numbers to binary, and by using 0b and that particular binary number, just return this particular binary number and it gives 143. The value of this binary form is 143. Like that, 0b, here I take 1. The value of this is 82. But without zeros and ones, we will not able to take any other digits like 2 and 3. If we take, it simply throws error 0, 1 and 2. Here I take 2 also. It simply throw an error because it is not a binary form. This is all about binary form. And next one is octal form. Octal form is accept 0 to 7. Octa means 8, right? So it accept first 8 digit numbers, including 0 also. 0 is also a number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 numbers. 0 to 7. It is also similarly like that only. For example, I want by octal form of octal representation is 0, 0, 256. The octal form of 256 is 174. Now I'll explain how to convert octa to numbers. See, 256 is the value, 8 power 0, 8 power 1 and 8 power 2. Here 8 square is 64, 64 into 2 is 128. So I return 128 plus 8 plus 8 power 1 value is 8. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. So 40. And the next one is 8 power 0 value is 1. 1 plus 1 into 6 is 6. Totally 128 plus 40 is 168. 168 plus 6 value is 174. This is how convert numbers to octa form. And by using print hexa of 174. Sorry, here I print hexa. Here print of 174 00256. See, once observe this example. 00256. Octa value of 174 is 256, and octa value of 256 is 174, and decimal value is. This is how we convert decimal value to octa and octa to decimal. And the next one is hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is accept 0 to 9 digits and A to F alphabets. These alphabets is either in capital letters or in small letters. It accepts both the type of alphabets. This A is 10, A value is 10, and B value is 11, and C value is 12, and D value is 13, E value is 14, and F value is 15. It shows like that. It represents like that. And the next hexadecimal form is print a hexa of 174 value 0xAE. 0x is the representation of hexaform. For example, I want to know what is 0xAE value. Then simply print 0xAE value is 174. But in place of A to F, here I take A, G. Sorry, here 1 is acceptable, but G is not acceptable because hexadecimal accept up to A to F alphabets only. But here I take G. So it's simply thrown syntax error, invalid hexadecimal literal, like that. For here 0x, here the hexa value of 345678987 value is 14049315207. This is about conversion of hexadecimal to hexadecimal and binary and octal form to numbers, and numbers to these binary, octa and hexadecimal form. And decimal form is nothing but normal numbers only. And the next data type is float. In float, we don't want any explanation about float. Float is nothing but point values with point values 0.78 like that. Float is nothing but point value. It also accepts A equal to 3.14 plus B equal to 90.90. Print A by B. Answer is this. And the next, this is the float division. Answer is 0.0. Like that, floating point float data type is nothing but it contain point decimal value. It is with decimal value. That means point values. Point values is nothing but float value. Float value also accept all arithmetic operators. This is about float values. And next is complex numbers. Complex data type only available in Python. No other languages available. Complex data types not available in any other languages, programming languages. Complex data types is nothing but A plus Bj. A is real numbers and Bj is imaginary numbers. We already know about complex numbers in 9th or 8th class. We already studied, but here I will give some brief information about complex numbers. A is the real number and Bj is the imaginary number. And here J is fixed. In place of J, we are not able to take any other alphabet. Here J is always fixed. And this complex number also accept the basic operators, arithmetic operators. Basic arithmetic operators means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that. Here I will give an example. 7 plus 8j minus 8 plus 7j. The value is minus 1 plus 1j. Like that, this complex number able to do the basic arithmetic operators only, like addition and subtraction, like that only. This is about complex operators. For example, we want to know which type of data it is. By using this type keyword, type of 7 plus 8j, it is complex, and type of S equal to Python. Type of S is string. Like that, this type keyword is used to show which type of data it is, and type of A. Here A value is float because here I have take A value 3.14, so it returns float. The usage of type keyword is it shows which type of data it is, and that's about first three keywords. In later section, I will discuss remaining all keywords. Sorry, remaining all data types. Thank you.